maximum queries that we are getting is about the wisdom tooth pain, which many are going through during this period of lockdown. And we have a lot of queries from all over the world, people seeking for advice and help of how to manage the pain without going to any dental surgery or dental clinic. And me and my team of doctors have tried our level best to be reverting to each one of you and messaging you back to help you relieve the pain. So I thought of creating this video so that every one of you can have an easy access to very simple remedies to take care of the wisdom tooth pain. Wisdom teeth are the last teeth to erupt in the mouth after all other 28 teeth have already erupted. So generally there is a lack of space for the wisdom teeth to come out. So at times when it is trying to pop out of the bone or the gum tissue, it gives bad pain, especially in the people with smaller jaw sizes where the space is very limited for the wisdom teeth to erupt. There are 4 wisdom teeth, 2 in the upper and 2 in the lower jaw. The wisdom teeth are the last molars behind the 2 molars. So I'll show you with this model if you can see. So these are the 2 molars, your food chewing teeth, and this last is the wisdom tooth, which sometimes comes out vertically straight in the mouth, and at times it is tilted either to the back or to the front or to the left or to the right. So when it is tilted, you can see this complete horizontal sleeping wisdom tooth here, if you can see this one. So this is a very tough situation where the wisdom tooth cannot come out on its own, and it definitely needs a surgical intervention and extraction by an oral surgeon. The wisdom tooth pain is generally a very sharp, excruciating pain, and at times it is unbearable. You can't sleep, you can't eat anything. Maximum of the patients, they feel as if they're biting onto their skin inside the mouth, that is the gum tissue, because the wisdom tooth is generally covered with a thick layer of the tissue, and if it is completely submerged under the tissue, there are times the gum tissue creates a lot of pockets and all the food lodgement happens inside that, which increases the pain and swelling and in turn can cause infection. Now, if the area is infected, the pain even reflects to your temporal region, to the head region, to the ear, and even up till your throat. That signifies that already there is a bacterial infection which has occurred. The first and foremost thing in such a situation is to immediately get in touch with your dentist and ask for the necessary medication that is needed to relieve the pain and the swelling. So we generally prescribe you with the antibiotic cover, anti-inflammatory, anti-swelling tablets, and a good painkiller. This medication cover is mandatory for all of you who are suffering severe pain and swelling because of the wisdom tooth. So do not ignore it. Do not try and test anything else on you. Just ring up your dentist in case you are under lockdown and you have no access to any dental clinic, and take the medications for the wisdom tooth pain and infection. Also, do make sure to discuss with your dentist about any allergies if you have to any particular drug or any salt or any ingredient in any medicines. And this holds very important for all the lactating and pregnant women to get in touch with your doctor and take the prescribed medications accordingly. At times, even the home remedies really work good for excruciating toothaches and tooth pains. One such being the use of a numbing gel. So the first home remedy which I would recommend all of you suffering from any kind of tooth pain, specifically the tissue or the gum pain on top of the wisdom tooth, is using a good numbing gel or an oral gel. For example, the one which is easily available is Ora gel and Dolo gel. I personally prefer Dolo gel as it has good effect on the pain and gives you immediate relief. So Dolo gel basically has 2 main ingredients. One is a numbing agent or a mild anesthetic agent, which is lidocaine. Again, you need to check for any allergies related to any anesthetic agents like benzocaine or lidocaine. Generally, 90% of people do not have any such allergies to lidocaine. So it is a very good numbing agent. So immediately after applying the Dolo gel on the swollen area or the gum area, you find a great relief because the entire area gets numb. The second is a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory ingredient which immediately subsides the pain and the swelling. So first remedy, if you have a pain in the wisdom tooth region or the last area of the jaw which is covered completely with the gum or a hard tissue, is to use a good gel, something like a Dolo gel, which provides immediate relief. The second easy remedy is to use ice packs, which are easily available at all pharmacies around. And in case you're using ice from your freezer, make sure you wrap it up in a clean towel and use it intermittently. Like you put it from the outside on the jaw, in the region of the swelling, take it off. Again put it, take it off. Do this exercise for 15 minutes and you can repeat it at least twice or thrice a day to reduce the pain and swelling. So make sure for ice application and cold compression, you are wrapping up the ice in a piece of cloth or a towel, and do not apply direct ice over your face or the jaw to reduce the swelling, as it can lead to cold related injuries on the external part of your face. The next and the most common from ages is salt water rinses. For this, please take some lukewarm water in a glass, add a pinch or two of common salt in it and rinse thoroughly with this water, especially in the area where the wisdom tooth pain is. For example, if it is on the lower left or the right hand side, take a sip of the lukewarm salt water, put it in that area for a few seconds, let it be there for a few seconds, do not vigorously move it around or rinse it, and just very gently spit it out. That's how you do a salt water rinse to relieve the wisdom tooth pain and swelling. So you can do the salt water rinses for about 3 to 4 times in a day. The last easy remedy is the use of clove, either clove or clove oil, which again is very easily available with all of us in the kitchen. Clove is also called as long. So in case you're using the whole piece of clove, just put it in the area where the pain and the swelling is there. Just press it with the opposite tooth and let it be there. Just suck onto it, do not chew it, and let it be there for some time till the pain is relieved. In case you're using clove oil, take a piece of cotton, dip it in the clove oil. Again, place the cotton in the area of the swelling and the pain and clench it with the opposite tooth. Let the cotton be there for at least 4 to 5 minutes or till your pain is reduced a bit. So let the cotton be there till then. Clove is a very easily available ingredient with all of us, and the best part is it is proven. There has been a study in 2006 which has proven clove to be a very good pain and swelling reducing agent. So it has antibacterial properties, it has pain relieving properties, and it also has numbing properties. So clove is again a very useful ingredient in case any one of you is suffering with a severe tooth pain. So these were a few quickie, easy tips to relieve a wisdom tooth pain. But let me stressfully say this thing again, to please get in touch with your dentist and do not try anything on your own unless and until you take a green signal from your doctor for the same. And this is very important for anyone who has a medical condition, or any pregnant woman, lactating woman, or anyone with underlying diseases like diabetes or any heart ailment. So please get in touch with your dentist before you take any OTC medication, any tablets from the pharmacy, or any tablets from your home first aid box. Just ask your dentist and then consume anything. And not to forget, wisdom tooth, if it is impacted, that is if it is submerged inside, or it is covered completely with the gum tissue and the bone, or if it is giving you a lot of trouble since it is tilted here or there, 90% of cases have to undergo a wisdom tooth surgery. Need not get scared, it's a very minor surgery which is done at a dental clinic. So please ask your dentist, and once the lockdown is complete, you probably need to get an x-ray done to see the condition and the position of the wisdom tooth, and get it extracted, because that's the only way out and a permanent solution for the wisdom tooth. And we also call it as a nonsense tooth, because generally it is of no use. It is not used for chewing or biting onto the food. So even if you're getting it extracted, do not get worried. You're not losing your wisdom, you're not losing anything, but you're actually saving your other teeth from being infected, and of course saving big time on your pain and troubles. And in case the wisdom tooth is completely erupted in the mouth and is still giving you pain because of some cavity or infection, then other procedure like a root canal treatment can also be an option to relieve the pain.